Thanks for letting me show you our service portal, Bob. It supplements the personalized service you're getting from our technicians.
It will be great to have one online place for the service information on all equipment across our 3 campuses.
It will save you time and money. Our service technician Kelly was here last week about the fire panel in Charlottesville. Let's start by tracking his visit.
Good idea, John. I wanted to check the invoice for this repair.
Now, you can look at the invoice through the service portal by clicking on the menu item across the top. Or you can use the chart. If you're interested in just one location, you can set a filter to get there even faster.
So I set the filter to Charlottesville first and select the fire system. Then I click on the invoice menu.
Or you can find it directly in the widget if you switch to the list view. Here's the invoice. It was due on the 18th of May and it has already been paid.
Can I get notified when a new invoice is due?
You can create alerts for all types of events in the alert screen. This includes new invoices and invoices reaching their due date. Now I'll go back to the invoice screen.
It looks like you can use quick links to jump directly to the related ticket details, right?
You've got it. Here's the ticket, and here I can download the technician report. The repair took less than 1 hour, and he replaced the battery.
I wonder why this repair is not covered by the service contract.
Let's go to the equipment details and then the service agreements.
No urgent repair calls are billable. Maybe we should upgrade our contract to include it. We could save all this time spent tracking orders and checking invoices.
That's the idea. You can handle it online using information requests and contract inquiry. And then please send me a quotation for a service contract upgrade that includes corrective maintenance.
I can see how consolidating service information in one place will help me be more efficient, create budgets, and decide whether or not to replace equipment.
You'll have full service transparency and answers in just seconds. I've set up your account before this visit, and an email has been sent to your inbox. Can you check if you've received it?
Sure. Okay. I need to click on the link in order to activate my account. And now I can create my password. Great. I can't wait to drive myself.
Awesome.
Thank you.